Hey girls. So today I'm doing my very own Barbie collector doll. So this is the old times. So now she's posable. The second series of Sassy Look, Barbie Look. Yeah, that's the new collector's line, and I love it. Now I have a second doll that is in the box. So yeah, I don't have her stand. I don't receive it. So yeah, she's really posable and delectable. Her hair is like this. So yeah, I don't know what happened there with pink streaks and some glitter to secure her hair. And she has blue makeup and glitter, and her lips is like hot pink, and she has a translucent violet stars earrings. So she's one of the VIP girls. So yeah, so she has her the disco dress, and she has her bangle here. So this is an incredible shoes. So in this side we have no open-toed. Now it's open-toed inside. Look at the difference. So when you post like that, it's really cool, and it's open-toed, and here it's not. It's like a real boots, and here is like point out like that. I love it. And she has a little cute buckle here to secure it. So yeah, I love it. So she can move in the regular fashionistas, but she's now on the collector's line. So yeah, I love it. Thank you, Barbie selectors, to give me this one. And yes, it is the VIP area, the rare ones. Yes, hard to find. But luckily, my friends in the toy store gave me this one for just $1 or $5. So yeah, great discount. My mom's friends in the Toy Kingdom. So I'm in the toy store or factory, I don't know, because her friend works there or owns it. So thank you, and please like, subscribe, comment down below if you want to have another cool review. So bye.